You know, there's still a kid out there under 19 who believes they can make it out in a disc. Because you know.
Yeah, very papa. Kona le ya midlalo disc na like ala into yabo. But you see, bedlala good job. Athi uthi ngikhule nayo ngihlane nayo manje. La into
Yeah.
Na isane passion ukuthi sazoyenza. Ithi nalama khote washa ithi shala wabo dreams delayed.
I know dreams denied.
Shala out. Abona ukuthi amajita vele abona into mawuthi ngizoyenza ukuthi ngakhi actually
manje wena yini lahlile lo patient le disc ukuthi decide with die ngisadlala intanga zami because you can still qualify to play under 21 in some teams. What stopped you from patient le disc kahle
nje something yazi mina ngastopa nini ngisasentwana injalo edwana ukhathele phaka disc besidlala every day.
Yeah.
Nama sasentwana udlala every day. Maqeda ukudlala lapho uhamba ejimini. Enata idisk besidlala. Bese ama tournament intwana.
Yeah.
Sometimes awathatha one day.
After tournament ekasi mawufika udlala ivini.
Udlala athi lo tala
understanding. Ngokuthando like 9